Bullish Kasama, KSM, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $182.66 and $397.79 by 2030. Market experts accept KSM could reach $182.66 by 2025. Bearish Kasama market cost expectation for 2022 is $32.47. Kasama, KSM, presentation Polka Dots variant representing things to come. Kasama is a canary organization for Polka Dot. Kasama is a testnet that permits designers to explore different avenues regarding new highlights and changes prior to carrying out on Polka Dot. Kasama will have every one of similar updates as Polka Dot, just sooner. This incorporates adjustments or augmentations to the codebase, conventions, and administration components. The stage depends on the Polkadot convention and utilization's a proof-of-stake agreement system. Ksama additionally includes on-chain administration, permitting clients to decide on proposition and settle on conclusions about the eventual fate of the organization. The Ksama network was sent off in 2019 and is right now in its beginning phases of improvement. The group behind the undertaking is centered around building a powerful environment of uses and administrations. The drawn-out objective is to make a decentralized web that gives clients command over their information and protection. What makes Kasama one of a kind? Kasama is intended for engineers who need to send off aggressive ventures with a quick developing speed of improvement. What makes Kasama exceptional is its emphasis on giving designers the apparatuses they need to succeed. This incorporates elements, for example, a simple-to-utilize programming language, brilliant agreement usefulness, and backing for cross-chain communications. Furthermore, Kasama likewise has areas of strength for devotees and engineers who are committed to helping other people succeed. What recognizes Kasama from other blockchains is its multi-chain, heterogeneously sharded plan. As opposed to utilizing the verification of work agreement instrument, which is energy escalated, Kasama utilizes a designated proof-of-stake framework. This permits it to be more productive and versatile than other blockchains. One of the one-of-a-kind highlights of Kasama is its on-chain upgradability. This implies that the organization can be updated without requiring a hard fork, making it a lot simpler to test new elements and redesigns. Moreover, Kasama upholds cross-chain message passing, XCMP, which permits correspondence with other parachains on the organization. This makes it an ideal stage for designers exploring different avenues regarding Polkadot's different elements. One more benefit of Kasama is that it is controlled by specs, which are the local cache of Polkadot. This gives extra security to clients as dApps have been tried on the mainnet. Furthermore, specs give clients admittance to Polkadot's highlights, including marking, casting a ballot, and administration. Generally, Kasama gives an extraordinary open door to engineers and early adopters to try different things with Polkadot's different elements in a completely safe climate. Kasama, KSM, Specialized Examination. The Kasama network is a decentralized stage that empowers clients to construct and run versatile, strong, and interoperable blockchain applications. It is based on the Polkadot handoff chain innovation and utilizations parachains for versatility. What's more, it additionally utilizes parachains for versatility. These three parts make Kasama quite possibly of the most remarkable stage accessible today. While numerous blockchains battle with issues, for example, adaptability and interoperability, Kasama has been planned starting from the earliest stage to address these difficulties. The undertaking raised more than $140 million, selling 10 million KSM tokens in only a couple of hours. The dealer's buy pattern carried it to $65 toward the finish of 2020. Kasama's fruitful eco shows a gigantic interest for versatile and interoperable blockchain stages like Kasama blockchain. With its imaginative plan, Kasama is strategically situated to turn into the main stage here. The coin was made by the group behind the famous cryptographic money, Polkadot. The Kasama coin is remarkable in that it offers a way for clients to try out groundbreaking thoughts and ventures on a Polkadot-like organization without stressing over the steadiness of the mainnet. The cost of the Kasama coin has seen a critical flood in energy starting from the start of this current year. This cost change has made numerous financial backers pay heed to the venture and its true capacity. Kasama, KSM, Current Cost. Kasama is presently worth $40.59. KSM has moved 2.41% as of now with an exchanging volume of $30,931,202. Kasama is presently positioned 96 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $343,025,130. Kasama, KSM, Value Expectation 2022. Kasama, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. KSM. The KSM cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $60.89. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $56.83 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. KSM is supposed to have a base worth of $48.71. Kasama, KSM, Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Kasama KSM cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of KSM will before long outperform $101.48. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the KSM's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, KSM will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $81.18 and a typical exchanging cost of $89.30. Kasama, KSM, Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $142.07 and KSM might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. KSM is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $129.89 and a low of $121.77 in 2024. Kasama, KSM, Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Kasama effectively helps market opinion among digital currency devotees, the KSM coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, KSM will be green in 2025. The KSM is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $182.66, with a base cost of $162.